Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, in today's video I'm showing you how I make my special delicious delicacy this pasta sauce. Yeah, so I'm really excited guys. We are almost hitting 2K. Can you guys imagine? In fact, that story for another day. You guys should watch out because I'm coming for appreciation. Yeah guys, so yes, I have here, these are very simple ingredients. I have celery. Can you guys imagine I'm not using spring onion? Amazing. I'm using onions, shredded garlic, shredded ginger, bay leaves. This is pepper, and this is 500 gram chopped meat or minced meat, and it's cow. You can use pork meat, or you can mix both, but I'm using just cow minced meat. And this is 500 grams each, so in together I'm using 1 kilo. And I'm using carrot, I'm using tomato, and some oil. So I'll start by putting the oil in the pot. Let it heat up. I'm using maggi and salt, of course. This is my maggi. Yeah, we'll let the oil heat up and come back. Guys, the oil is hot. So before we start, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. We are almost reaching 2K. Very important. So I'm going to put the onion, and the shredded garlic and ginger, and part of this pepper, because I don't know if it's too hot. Later I can just put oil. So I put that. The smell from this pot, I wish you could get it. I'm going to put the carrot. The smell. So I'm going to put the meat. Like I said, this is 500 gram each. So I use 1 kilo all together. Give it a mix. I'm going to put salt, maggi, all of it. Mix well. So guys, we're going to add some white pepper, black pepper, now at this point we're going to put the tomato. Now I'm using this is Derica. I don't know if you guys can see. This is Derica, if you know it, which is tomato puree. Tomato puree. It's not going to come out. Let me use a spoon. It's tomato puree. I'm using 1 can tomato puree and the other one chopped tomato. This other one is the chopped tomatoes. This is how it is. I'm going to put 1 can inside. And I'll mix it up. Really well. It's a little bit of water, and I'm going to put it inside and put the 3 bay leaves. Give it a mix. That, guys, at this point we're going to let it cook for about 20 minutes under low heat. Yeah, so I'm just going to cover it up and let it cook 20 minutes. So guys, my pot is cooking, like I said, under low heat. This is it. This recipe you need to try. And over here I have my pot. I put water to boil and my pasta. I have boiled pasta on this channel, so I'm not going to be doing that on this video. Yeah, so guys, my pasta is boiling and my sauce is ready. Look at that, it's ready. I just turn it off, and yeah. So guys, we are back, and this time we are going to dish, of course. So this is the pasta. Nice dish. Guys, if this is your first time, subscribe to my channel and support your girl. Thank you guys. For my returning subscribers, you guys know I love you guys so much. So that's the one I'm eating. Oh, this sauce. It's all about this sauce, guys. This sauce. Oh my god. This sauce. You see this? This is what you should be going for. This sauce. Look at, super delicious. So guys, like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Love you all. Bye.